Hello everyone and welcome to the Open Data Portal. My name is Emma and I am the GIS specialist here at the City of Kawartha Lakes. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to access, explore, and download datasets within our Open Data Portal. If you are looking for our data portal from our main GIS and Maps page on the kawarthalakes.ca website, you will want to click this button here for more maps and apps. The Open Data Portal link is currently located at the bottom of the page here. Once in the portal, you will first want to read the Open Data disclaimer and terms of use before accessing or downloading any data. To begin, you have three options to find datasets you're interested in. Either search here using keywords, themes, or even feature types such as point, line, or polygon. You can also explore different categories with the buttons here, or open all possible data with the full data catalog here. Within the catalog, you can also search with the search bar or filter using the checkboxes along the side. Once you find a dataset you are interested in, click to get more information. Here you will see the dataset name, last updated date, number of records or features, an overview of the data, which you can zoom in with these buttons here to take a closer look, a summary, a list of attributes, and related datasets. You can get even more information about the dataset by clicking View Metadata. Back at the Overview page, you will also see a Data tab. Here you can take a deeper look at the attribute table. Lastly, the Download button is here. You can choose to download in Spreadsheet to access the attribute table in Excel, KML to access the full dataset in, say, Google Earth, or Shapefile to use the data in GIS applications. Once you choose an option to download the data, it should appear at the bottom of your screen here, depending on your browser or settings. You should also likely be able to find this data in your Downloads folder on your computer. And that is all for a quick walkthrough of the Open Data Portal. If you have any questions or would like to request access to a specific dataset, please send us a message at geomatics@kawarthalakes.ca. Thanks for watching.